Well, it is day 20. We are officially 2/3 of the way through the month. I'm so excited! Ah! Today's color is violet, and I decided I wanted to do grapes. Purple, for some reason, seems to be really difficult for me, so yeah, I chose grapes. Because they are a purple thing, essentially. And I decided since grapes are just a bunch of circles and probably boring aesthetically, I'd add a twist? An unexpected thing. So this is a normal-sized bunch of grapes with a tiny dragon. Now I don't know precisely what the deal is with this dragon. If it's part of the bunch of grapes as some sort of natural camouflage, or if it's hiding behind the bunch of grapes, or if it's going to eat the grapes. Honestly, I just drew its little face and was like, oh my god, you're so cute. There's no going back. I don't care if your position doesn't make it clear what you're doing or what you are. But yeah, I have seen lots of pictures of dragons eating different kinds of fruit, as well as being different kinds of fruit, which is sort of where the idea came from. But again, whether or not it is actually the fruit, or if it's hiding, or if it's getting something to eat is anyone's guess. Listen, I'm just responsible for this cute dragon. I can't explain its existence any further than that. Anyway, I left said little dragon white with violet line art, and just shaded it using the violet marker and some hatching and cross-hatching because I wanted the distinctly dragon parts to stand out from the purple grapes, regardless of if they're part of the actual dragon or not. And with that, violet is check done. See you tomorrow for the next one.